Yeah, we are. Feeling it. Let's drop. Went from 60 to 30 in like a split second. Oh, we're jiggling. We're still, yeah, it's coming up still.
Huh?
Should be really good because it's still coming up from 60. Yeah, 29 now. Yeah.
I can't be.
So should
I'm on the back of this thing.
Should we keep it?
Let's just get our limit and go.
Alright, toss them in. Feel any different?
No, it's a...
Black?
I don't know. You can't really tell until you get them up. Oh, he's kind of...
No, I say toss them.
Should we head back?
Yeah. Let's try to get like a few more though.
Yeah, let's get...
It's pretty chill in here. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Caught a damn sea star. It's a fish, bro. Yeah. Ling, good ling.
There's another ling.
Oh, could have netted his ass.
Dude,
that's probably a keeper, yeah. Emily, you should throw the last one back. Oh, fucker. Oh. We gotta start. Dude, keep him on.
Oh, it's kind of big. I see it. Watch your jig, watch your jig. Oh, it's a bass.
Uh-huh. Damn. That thing's a fatty. Good work. That's sick.
Fish. Ling.
Oh, baby ling.
What's the...
20 inches, 24. That's not 24. Oh, nice ling.
Nice ling. God.
That's just beast. Damn. That's just beast.
That's capital on head shakes.
Think so?
No.
Oh, that's still a nice one. Should keep him?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on. Trap.